Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Self-Love Nutrition, everything here about food education, gut health, and meal planning. Alright, please excuse my voice for today because, listen, I'm getting over a little bug, but, we still push through and we prevail. Alright, so today I'm just going to be going over what it's like to heal with me as your holistic nutritionist. So, this is going to be a feedback form, literally screenshots of the feedback form that my client has taken in. Um, she has completed, basically, she has completed a 3-month cellular regeneration program. Let's clap it up for her. Y'all, she got her blood work done. Before she came to me, all her numbers were abnormal, elevated. She just didn't like how her body was functioning at the time. Fast forward to 3 months later, her vitals are stable. Everything is literally at the best that it could be. Her doctor is okay with it. Everything is just like in alignment and flow. And she feels like she made the right investment for her whole life being and her whole well being. So I wanted to make sure that I shared with y'all the actual feedback because a lot of people think that, oh, a nutritionist can't get me here, a nutritionist can't get me there, but everything starts within your gut. So yes, a nutritionist can get you here. So yes, I just want to share her feedback and we're going to see how it is like healing with me as your holistic nutritionist. All right, so the first question, I asked her, how would you describe your overall experience with the program? She said it was the most rewarding, challenging, and disciplined experience, has been priceless. So it is challenging. You have temptations every day. It's rewarding because you just feel so much at peace. Like your body is at peace, your health is at peace. Everything is just one within yourself. And it takes the discipline. All right, so the next question I asked was, what specific improvements have you noticed in your health and well-being since starting the program? She said that she has gained mental clarity, discipline in her eating habits, eating to heal and not eating to be unhealthy, weight loss, and improvement of her overall health. I mean, top tier. Top tier. She is like amazing right now. And forever on, because now she knows how to heal her gut and she knows how to clean out her gut. She just knows how to do a lot of different things that revolves around nutrition now. Because I also give education before I even give you the program or anything to actually make sure you know what you're doing in this time, you know? All right? And I asked, how effective were the meal plans, the grocery list, and recipes in supporting your cellular health journey? She said it kept her on track and helped her to maintain her journey. The recipes created a new and exciting challenge for her to be in the kitchen, but she have loved most of the meals that she prepared. I give out a new plan every 2 weeks. I don't just sit there and say, here's 3 months of stuff. No, I need to know how you're reacting, how your body's reacting, how are you, um, how disciplined are you to make sure that you are doing what you need to do. It's different phases to cellular regeneration, and it takes 2 weeks at a time for me to be actually to for me to know what you need to do in each meal plan. So yes. All right, next, I asked, did you find the exercise and meditations routines beneficial? If so, how did they impact your progress? She said, I'm an advocate of exercise and meditation, so keeping my mind focused and maintaining a healthy eating lifestyle was imperative. Meditation, prayer, and exercise kept her mind focused on eating healthy and releasing the bad habits that she has been accustomed to. I said, were the follow-up appointments helpful in keeping you accountable and on track? What stood out most to you? She said, the fact that I was attentive from beginning to end. That has been a great part of her success. The accountability and the professionalism was amazing. Your knowledge in these areas of gut health, food alchemy, processed foods, health issues, and so much more has blown her mind. This was a great investment for her. Great investment. And that's what she has said from the beginning. She said, this is an investment for me. I literally have to I have to put myself first this time. because I don't like how I am. I don't like how I'm. She just didn't like her current aura. Now she's in love with her current aura, and that's perfect. Like, she literally cleansed everything, and she is living as her best and highest version of herself through food. hmm Not only food, but through food. All right. So, how did the 52-week meal planning journal and the custom herbal tea blend support your journey? She said, OMG, I needed this. The custom herbal tea blends are so good. I'm an avid tea drinker now, and this journey has helped me limit my alcohol use. I was drinking heavily, masking so many different things that I never dealt with. The mental clarity this journey has given me allowed me to heal, release, and remain focused. I asked her, were there any unexpected challenges during the program? How did you overcome them? She said, yes, I wanted some fried chicken, like everybody. She said, but I substituted for fried mushrooms instead. I just remembered my why, and my why has been an important part of my journey. I then asked, what aspect of the program did you find most impactful or life changing? She said, this has changed the way I eat, and I love it. I didn't know I could become a vegan, but these 3 months have been so amazing, I can't see myself going back to the way things used to be. This has been a lifestyle change for me forever. I then asked, do you feel more knowledgeable and confident about maintaining your health after completing the program? Why or why not? She said, yes, I love the fact that I had to take a test and read before I began my journey. And with the biweekly checkups, the exercises, the grocery list, herbal teas, and the knowledge that I now have, I know I will maintain a vegan lifestyle without any problems. If I fall off for any or whatever reason, I know how to get my gut back to a healthy state. And once again, it's not about going vegan. It's just about making sure you fill your body with high electricity foods. It's about making sure that you make sure your nutrition is in a state of alkalinity and not total acidity, because things cannot thrive in an alkaline state. So you want to keep your body as in a more alkaline um, environment as possible. What? No, I asked, would you recommend this program to others? If so, what would you say to someone considering it? She said, I would say you have to be the change you envision. It starts with being consistent. Don't think about it, just do it. Make that investment and change your life. The power within. The power is within, and it is. You are your own healer. You are your own healer. Last but not least, I asked, what would you recommend for the nutritionist, me, to change or include for a better service and experience? She said, this is a hard question to answer because my nutritionist has been one of the best parts of my journey. Keep doing the work of helping others change one person, one group, one village at a time. With love. Y'all, that was my favorite answer. Like, because I have worked so hard on making sure that my clients feel the experience and just making sure they know that it's all within themselves. But it starts with education and knowledge, and it starts with applying that education and knowledge to be at your highest potential in order to heal anything that you have within your gut, anything that you have within your body. So this is what it's like to heal with self-love. Self-love's main holistic nutritionist. So yes, if you would like to be um, a prospect for any of our coaching programs, make sure you fill out the intake form below. And we have a 4-week coaching program. We have a 3-month coaching program and a 6-month coaching program. The 3-month is the most popular just because you have that whole time to reconsider everything that you're doing and just be focused. You have a lot that comes with these programs. You're not just getting just a plan and say, here you get a ton of things. A ton of things that are worth the value, obviously. So if you are interested, make sure you fill out the intake form below. I will be sure to get back to you within 24 hours. And we are looking to progress this year. We are looking to evolve this year, and we are looking to ascend this year. So keep it light, keep it cute, and full of fruit. Y'all have a good day.